After our first One UI 4.1 breakdown video on the Galaxy S22 Ultra a few weeks ago on the 14th of February, we've had a chance to spend more time with One UI 4.1 to see how stable the overall performance and experience is, and also if any further updates would be applied during the pre-launch period. Lo and behold, on the 25th of February, which was the day our 2-week review of the Galaxy S22 Ultra went live here on SamMobile TV, which is also the official launch date of the S22 Ultra, where buyers could get their hands on with the Galaxy S22. The official March 2022 security update became available. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube, SamMobile TV. Here's our quick breakdown and findings of One UI 4.1 March security and feature update on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Before initiating the new March security update for One UI 4.1, if we take a look at the current software build number, the last 4 figures have the designation AVA7. Comparing that to the available March update, the last 4 figures have the designation AVBF. Under the software information section, the size of the update is around 811 megabytes and does state the security patch level is for the 1st of March 2022. There isn't much information of what's new under the changelog section, as the only thing that is stated is overall stability improvements, bug fixes, further improvements to performance, and new and/or enhanced features. Below that is the app update information, which lists 14 apps that may be updated to the latest version after the software update. Now, what really caught our interest more in the what's new section is the new and/or enhanced features that the March update could bring. As no specific details were given what these new features and enhancements were, we suspected one major enhancement it could bring would be to the charging speeds related to the new EP-T 4510 45-watt superfast charging 2.0 plug. But also, after the update, we discovered that one of our favorite features from One UI 4.0 Beta 2 was back and working even better than before. Now we have the new EP-T 4510 45-watt charger. Once the March update is applied and the battery is drained, we will be doing a follow-up video testing the speeds with the wattage reader to see if there's a noticeable improvement from the previous charging test with the older EP-TA 845 45-watt charger from before, and also if we truly do get 45-watt charging speeds. Fast charging is super important, but what's also important to have is a secure connection, and for that, our sponsor for a portion of this video, NordVPN, have you covered. As you know, a VPN or virtual private network is so important to have, as it guarantees you a secure internet connection and online privacy by hiding and masking your IP address, while also giving you the option and the ability to bypass geo restrictions for online services that may not be available in your country. NordVPN gives you the most secure connection online when using the web, whether it be on your new Galaxy device or on other devices like your tablet, laptop, and PC. You maintain a fast and smooth internet connection when online, and being able to watch some of your favorite TV shows and movies while streaming on platforms such as Netflix. Watching movies and shows in different regions is made possible thanks to NordVPN. Because we travel more frequently to a lot of NDA product launches and tech events, having a safe and secure protected connection is important, and using a service like NordVPN helps with that. You can connect up to 6 devices with NordVPN, as it's supported on all major platforms. Now, since NordVPN has a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee, you can rest assured and have peace of mind when using NordVPN. And again, the best part is the pricing and value. Use our unique link, nordvpn.com/SamMobile, in the description below and get your 2-year plan with an additional 1 month for free with a further discount using our coupon code SamMobile. Once the update was applied, when checking the software information and the build number, you can see the last 4 digits designated with AVBF, meaning the update was applied successfully. We checked one more time to make sure that there were no further updates available, which was the case, meaning the current build number AVBF is the latest version as of the 11th of March. Now, looking through to see what new features are now available with the March update, we were pleasantly surprised to see that video call effects is back working with more additional third-party apps, which in this case is WhatsApp. If you cast your mind back to One UI 4.0 Beta 2, video call effects were enabled to work on more third-party apps like WhatsApp and Instagram, enabling the ability to blur and change the background, and also different mic modes for better audio quality. Not only are these features back, but there is now the addition of auto framing. Now, focusing on what's new, once auto framing feature is active, there is an additional crop applied. The front-facing camera will then auto track, zoom, and keep you in frame as you move around without needing to touch the phone. This actually works better than expected and pretty much follows the auto framing feature in the native camera app for video. One thing to note is that you cannot use the auto framing and the background change or blur at the same time, only one or the other. Also, in the past, we did see that this was working with apps like Instagram, but it doesn't seem to be the case this time round. Overall, I am personally pleased to see video call effects working on WhatsApp again, as it's my preferred platform of choice when video calling. As stated, be sure to watch out for our follow-up charging test video to see if there's any worthwhile improvements to the charging speeds after this update. As always, if we discover more things with One UI 4.1, we'll be sure to update you. Do you have a Galaxy S22 series device? What's been your experience with One UI 4.1 so far? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.